What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. In today's episode of Date Night Dessert, we'll be making cheesecake. Now, I personally dislike cheesecake, partly because I don't like cream cheese, but mainly because of the inconsistency that I've experienced when it comes to baking. So today instead we'll be making a cream cheese Bavarian, basically a cream cheese mousse. Infinitely easier and far more consistent than a baked cheesecake. So, let's get baking. So we can start with our base. Into a bowl we can add our graham cracker crumbs, the sugar, and the melted butter. Ideally without dropping the plastic container. We'll mix this completely. We can then transfer this into our rings. Because I'm me, I have this cute heart-shaped ring. The process is the same though if you are using a standard 8-inch pan. Now, using a flat surface, I use the lid to this spray canister, firmly press the graham crumbs together. Make sure to get all over, including the edges. You can see the difference between the pressed and the not pressed. We can then transfer it to a baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's finished baking, allow to cool completely. Next we can start on our cream cheese Bavarian. First, into the bowl of your stand mixer, we'll place our heavy cream. Whip this up until it is at soft peaks. We want it to have some body but still be very soft. Transfer to a bowl and place in the fridge until needed. Next, sprinkle the gelatin over top the water. Give it a shake to fully mix in those granules, and then leave aside to bloom. Next we can place our cream cheese, sugar and salt into our mixer bowl. Beat on medium-low speed to soften the cream cheese. Be sure to scrape down often to ensure that all of the cream cheese is softened. Even in a baked cheesecake, this is an important step, as we don't want small clumps of cream cheese that haven't been incorporated with the other ingredients. If you're impatient like me, you can use your torch to heat the bowl up slightly. This will speed up how fast the cream cheese softens. Next we can add in our vanilla, and then the lemon juice. Mix those in fully. We can then take our gelatin mixture and gently melt it in the microwave. 15 seconds works perfectly. Slowly pour this into your cream cheese and mix to combine. It's important that the gelatin is evenly mixed throughout the cream cheese. A clump of unmixed cream cheese is acceptable, a clump of gelatin is not. Once the gelatin is fully mixed in, we have to work quickly. Removing the whipped cream from the fridge, add in about 1/3 of the cream into the cheese. Fold this through, then add in the remainder of the cream. Gently, but quickly, fold in the cream. Pour the mixture into your prepared rings. If, like me, you overfill your rings, just use an angled spatula to flatten the tops. Place these in the fridge until the gelatin has set, about 30 minutes. Once the gelatin has set, we can unmold. Just run a knife around the edge of the cream cheese. Undo the clasp and gently remove the cake from the mold. Remove the base and place onto your plate. I'm just going to place some strawberry slices on top. And then of course, what cheesecake is not complete without a dusting of icing sugar? and enjoy. And here it is, guys. Smooth, rich, and creamy. Perfect for sharing, but I won't blame you if you eat the whole thing. As always, you can find a copy of my recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.